How to program RCA Universal Remote to TV without code. The step number 1 is to turn on your TV manually, which is either behind your TV or downside of the TV. Then take your remote control. Make sure it has fresh battery cells inserted. Then what you need to do is to press this code search button on the top right corner until the light over here lights up and stays on. Next step, you need to press once on the TV button over here. Next step, you'll have to point the remote control towards the TV. You press this power button and you wait a second to see if the TV turns off. If the TV does not turn off, you press again on it. You do this until the TV turns off. Now go ahead and press the enter button, and after that the light over here will go turn off. The remote is now synced with your TV. That's it. Thanks for watching.